Welcome back, students. Today we would learn the divisibility test for 5. So you're given a number, say 625. You have to check whether 5 divides the number, right? Now the main point that you have to look is the digit that is found in the unit place. If it ends with 5, then clearly the number would be divisible by 5. So in other words, the last digit, so what's the rule that you have to know? The last digit, if it ends either with a 5 or a 0, right, then for sure the number is divisible by 5. Okay, so clearly 625, if you were to try by long division, 625, 5 divides 6 once, 1 remainder, 2, 5 times 2, 10, you got a 2, bring the 5 down, 5 times 5 is 25, so 0. So clearly 5 is a divisor for the number 625. Now you take some other number, say some other huge number, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This number is clearly divisible by 5. How do I say? Because the number ends with 0. So I can clearly conclude this number is indeed divisible by 5, since the last digit is a 0, right? I can prove it by performing the long division, right? So all you need to do is place the number 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, place 5. 5 divides 12 2 times, that's 10, 2 remainder, bring the 6. 5 times 5 is 25, 1, 7, 5 3s are 15, so it's going to be 2, bring 8 down, so it's be 28. So 5 times 5 is 25, you got a 3, bring the 9 down, I'm placing it here, 39. So 5 times 7 would give me 35, remainder is 4, bring the 0 down, 5 times 8 is 40. So you see that? Clearly 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 is divisible. You can write the conclusion. Clearly we see that 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 is indeed divisible by 5. Now I can give you another contradictory example. Say, to check, I want you to check, try it by yourself, check whether 121 is divisible by 5. Check if 1441 is divisible by 5. Check if, say, 4, 6, 7, 8, 5 is divisible by 5. Give me the reason. If you think it's divisible by 5, you give the reason. If you think it's not divisible by 5, you again state the reason. So recap. If you want to find if whether a number is divisible by 5, you have to check if the last digit ends with a 5 or a 0.